Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.